This is where they just had an oil tanker spring a leak. Actually hit the bridge way over there at the Bay Bridge and started to spill. Oh. Here we have a bird full of oil. He got caught in the oil spill. The little bird not doing too good. Poor little bird.
Oh, him? Poor little bird. You'll make it because he was running away. Good job! Yay!
That's good. I don't know. Yeah, no more down here. As far as I know.
You want to check that out?
Oh, can you explain what was the website again?
IBRRC.org.
Thank you.
Okay.